Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Concatenating arrays is a common operation in Python when working with data, and there are different ways to do it. Vertical concatenation, also known as stacking or appending along the vertical axis, is particularly useful when you want to combine arrays along their rows. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to vertically concatenate two arrays in Python using NumPy, a powerful library for numerical operations. Before you begin, make sure you have NumPy installed. If you don't have it installed, you can install it using NumPy provides the vstack function to vertically concatenate two or more arrays. This function stacks arrays in sequence vertically, meaning it appends the rows of one array to the end of another. Here's a step-by-step guide with code examples. Let's create two arrays that we want to vertically concatenate. Now, use the vstack function to concatenate the arrays vertically. The vstack function takes a tuple of arrays as its argument and vertically concatenates them. In this example, array 1 and array 2 are stacked vertically to form result_array. Vertically concatenating arrays in Python is a straightforward task with NumPy's vstack function. This tutorial covered the basic steps, from importing NumPy to creating arrays and performing the concatenation. Incorporate this knowledge into your data manipulation workflows for efficient array handling. ChatGPT